Hey, it's Mr. Bargain. Moving on with Word. Up to this point, I have pretty much everybody turning in their work other than one case here or there. So you guys are doing a great job. Keep up the good work. And now we're kind of getting in a new groove, so let's go from where we left off. What we've done up to this point, just kind of refresher, is cover page, header, heading, indentation, header change here, bullet change there. Yesterday we did this, footer, multi-level list down here with different changes. So we've kind of been doing some of that stuff. If yours is like mine, where for some reason you have an extra page break in there, you can get rid of that because it should be like that. For some reason, I don't know why mine had that, but again, if yours does, get rid of it. But what we're going to do today is, so we did this one yesterday. Today we're going to look at doing this one. So what you need to do, first things first, is click in here, and it basically puts you into a table, and you just don't realize it yet. But when you go to table design, go to view grid lines under layout, and now you can see what the table is supposed to look like. Now the first thing they want you to do is click in this cell and then go to a split cell option, and 2 by 1 is correct, and then you can see it creates a 2 by 1. At that point, after you create the 2 by 1, put your cursor here and drag it over so that it matches this existing line. Then what you want to do is click here and type in fee based options, and this is fee per person. Sorry, should be on the second line. This one should be aligned left center. This one is wrong currently. They want it to be aligned right center to match this one. So make sure you do that change as well. The next thing it wants you to do is click here, and then it basically wants you to insert a column to the left. So you're going to add another column to the table at this point. After you do that, then what it wants you to do is highlight these two just like this and go to merge cells, and again make sure it's left centered. Then it wants you to highlight the first 6 of these, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and merge those. And then highlight the next, I believe it's 6 also, and merge those as well. Go to this one and type in dining fees. Go to this one, type in, and then once you type in dining fees, we're going to go to text direction and flip it till it looks like that, and then click center. So again, I'll do it on the next one. Activity fees, and again hit your text direction 2 times, and then hit center. Then it tells us to go here. And once we go here, there is an auto fit option. And they want us to do auto fit contents. And it kind of compresses it to make it into a smaller table, which is what we want to do. That is okay. Then what it wants to do is go to minimum attendees and make this 0.95. And that changed the width to 0.95 for this. Then click here and go to insert above, and it adds another row up there. Then highlight that entire row and merge it. And once you do that, then go ahead and type in there dining and team building activity fees. And then click Align Center and bold. Okay, the next step here is we're going to put our insertion point right here. Go back to table design and go to shading. And what they want us to shade this to is orange, but it's like accent to lighter 60%, which is this one. Then do the same thing to both of these options to make it orange accent to lighter 60%. So then go to this one, layout, and we're going to actually change this height from 0.25 to 0.34. Then what it wants us to do is to turn the view grid lines back off. After you do that, go back to design, go to border styles, and you probably want to do this one so it's borders and shading like that. So again, instead of hitting border styles, click down in this corner, or if you went to borders, you could go down here and get borders and shading, either way. And they want you to choose all, and the color they want you to choose is blue accent 1, and change the line to double line. And then when I hit OK, I get a blue double line. And file save, just to save as you go. So what it should look like is kind of what I have on the screen with the blue outlines. Last thing we're going to do here today is pretty simple. It's going to be in your design mode, which is this one. And then there's the option for watermark. What we're going to do is we're going to do a custom watermark. We're going to do a text watermark. Should be English. And instead of ASAP, it should be team, all caps. Font's going to stay the same. Size is going to be auto. Change it from diagonal to horizontal. Hit apply. And then close. And what you should see now is a finished document. And you got your employee retreats with the team in the background. You got your updated page here with the team in the background. You got your table done now. Then your third page is updated with team in the background and your new table. Why do you do watermarks is maybe you've noticed this in pictures. Like if somebody has a wedding, they'll send pictures out and they'll put a watermark in the background. That can't be removed, so people can't print out a picture. Or if I don't want somebody to print this out, I could put this on here. So if they print it out, it's got my name in the background. Just anything like that is the reason you. And then other people use it for decorative reasons. So this is decorative because it says team. When I do baseball camps, I'll have an Indian logo in the background, things like that. So that kind of gets us through the first chapter. Complete this. I'm giving this to you on Friday, and you should have enough time to knock it out on Friday. I would probably still accept it on Monday, but on Monday you're also going to get your first assignment, okay? So good luck and knock that out.